Samsung announced the Galaxy Unpacked for July 2024 is going to happen in several days, 13 days. On the 10th of July, Samsung will present and host the Unpacked event, and this time it's going to be in Paris. What a great time! Olympic Games, very close. We have Germany football games, and then of course we have Samsung with the Unpacked event. So apparently they're using, and I'm quoting, Paris as the iconic and crucial nexus and trend epicenter to become the perfect backdrop for the rollout of their latest cutting-edge innovations. Now you might think like, what is happening? I mean, we still have the S24 Ultra and nothing really better is going to come out until next year, perhaps of course the Z Fold 6, but this is right now the best and the most premium Samsung phones, and well, I guess we have to look closer and just see. Well, yes, AI is here, and this is also what I posted on YouTube. Galaxy AI is here, and this also raises some eyebrows. Well, we already have the Galaxy AI and it's incorporated into the S24 Ultra. And if you go inside your phone and search for AI, then you're gonna go to the Advanced Intelligence, and you're gonna see how many things are already using AI, like the phone translator, the keyboard features that can write like from slang to very casual, or let's say very official email, the interpreter, Samsung Notes. Apparently you can write format and use AI to even translate, summarize web pages, photo editor, of course, with things that we've seen also in other phones. So for sure, one might think like, what more? Like, what is there more to come? And I think there are already some hints. One of the first things, yeah, it is to also try to make the S Pen a bit more clever with, of course, the help of AI. So apparently one of the leaks are suggesting that you can use your S Pen, draw some objects like I do right now, and then the AI with the S Pen will be just trying to generate images from your drawing. So let's say this is right now a very lame attempt to draw something, but imagine you want to draw a cat, or you draw a car, you draw a dog, or anything else, and then why not just turn this into an AI experience with generative AI? And then again, the AI is gonna help you with this, but this is important with something else that I wanted to share with you. Hold a moment, guys. One operation already got an update that says support for One UI 6.1.1, and indeed I believe there are two more models from Goodlock, but that is not important. What is important is that apparently Samsung is already updating some of the Goodlock models like the OHO Plus, One Hand Operation Plus, to support the One UI 6.1.1. And here, right here, is where the secret is kept, because apparently more of the AI features are going to come with the One UI 6.1.1. And since Samsung are saying, let me quote, "Prepare to discover the power of Galaxy AI now infused into the latest Galaxy Z series and the entire Galaxy ecosystem, because this is S series. Get ready for a world of possibilities and enter a new phase of mobile AI." So apparently what I just showed you guys, like this drawing with the S Pen, like making the S Pen more clever, this is going to be indeed something as part of the new phase in the mobile AI. But it doesn't really stop here. There are more. Let me ask you, what are you able to see on the screen? And I know you're gonna tell me nothing, right? But take a look, take a closer look, because what you see on the screen is actually a night video. Right now you can see I'm popping up here. So one of the leaks is also indicating that Samsung are going to improve the handling and also the processing of night video, which I do believe is important, because we've seen in some of my reviews the iPhones are really doing a good job there, and sadly Samsung sometimes are just a bit behind with the night video. And not only night video, guys. So the leaks are indicating that we might see some improvement in low light video, and also the ability to just erase objects from video. And if we get these two features with the Galaxy AI, I can tell you the Galaxy AI is gonna do a better job than now. But wait, because yes, like always, there is more. Let me go inside my gallery and search for portrait. I'm gonna use the keyboard here. I'm gonna put pour, and you know how it goes. Backlit portraits, personal portraits, like whatever. You should be able to edit the pictures and use AI to, let's say, change the bokeh effect, or even do more stuff that you are able to do right now. And by the way, it's very interesting what they'll put there, because even right now I'm able to adjust so many things, and even if I want to adjust the bokeh or individual things like temperature or, let's say, contrast, I'm still able to do so. Because again, even right now, if I just use the old version, I can remaster it or directly click on the background effect effect. And like I showed you, I'm able to change the blur, right, from let's say 0 to maximize it to 7, and I can also then change the lighting, guys. I'm not sure if a lot of people out there probably don't notice, but even right now I can try to play with the lighting, and you can just see that the results are absolutely mind-blowing, at least for somebody that is not a professional like I am. But I can also use here the software to just edit things around, like change the background, right, change the colors. So I don't have any other ideas like what else can be done here with AI, but I know that Samsung have some ideas, so it's going to be very thrilling to see what they will offer us. See here the zoom, zoom out, zoom in, you can do pretty much whatever you want. But remember, the main leaks for One UI 6.1.1 with this new AI is just a smarter pen, S Pen with AI, low light video, also editing of videos with removable things, which is going to be quite crazy. I know that Pixel had to do so, but I'm not sure if they ever did so with the Pixel 8 Pro, and then also enhanced portraits manipulating, and of course who knows else what will be there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, follow up closely. The event is going to be in 13 days on the 10th of July, and yeah, let's hope that we will be amazed. Thank you so much for following. Stay safe, see you over, and bye.